आजादी अगर भीख में मिले तो क्या वो आजादी हो सकती है? आप खुद बताइए। जब गुलामी आपको उन लोगों ने युद्ध करके दी थी तो आजादी आपको भीख में कैसे मिल सकती है? माउंटबेटन वो आजादी नहीं थी, वो भीख थी, और जो आजादी मिली है वो 2014 में मिली है। Nationalist. I'm a Deshbhakt. I'm a Pakka Deshbhakt. This is my primary identity. And Veer Savarkar ji, I have a lot of respect. But I was filming there, and I have so much respect for him. So I went to visit the whole thing, and of course it was gut-wrenching what I saw there. And of course that part of the history has not been shared with us. And this is what we should use these platforms to talk about it. Awaken the dead conscience of this country, which has been put to sleep by these fake education system, the doses of anesthesia being injected into the soul of this country, and it's being put to sleep. We must awaken the soul of the conscience of this nation. I do, but also it is very consuming, you know. There are so many people, and I don't like superficial engagement, so I need to really engage with them. Of course, there are so many topics every day. And I miss that kind of involvement with authentic people. But at the same time, it saves a lot of energy and time, and I can focus. During COVID, I had that time. But now I'm not sure if I could have given that much time to social media, so I am more than happy to be suspended and being banned. I love this word banned. Kangna is banned. Like, why do you love it? Because only something which is absolutely, you know, one can't control, you know, like drugs are banned, crime is banned. Everything which can't be controlled by human and their potential is banned. So I like being banned.
How do you see Kangana Ranaut, let's say 5 years from now?
I definitely want to be married and have babies. And I see myself as a mother 5 years down the line, and as a wife, and of course as somebody who's actively participating in the vision of New India.
Amazing, that's a big headline. So if you're going to be a wife and a mother in 5 years from now, are you already working on that project?
Yes.
Well. Now, there is no better occasion than the Times Now Summit when we are celebrating India at 75 and the next 25. चलो 25 को 5 ही कर देते हैं. तो 5 में क्या प्लान है? कौन होने वाला है मिस्टर कंगना रनौत?
You will know soon.
So you are in a happy place, in love?
Yes, of course. There's no such place in love, but yes, kind of.
Well, थोड़ी सी investigative journalism करने का मन कर रहा है. कुछ तो बताइए.
No, please, let's move on. You will know.
Yeah, soon? How soon?
Very soon. Well, our ceremonies were at different times. I think they went out of their way to keep us on different timings.
So they didn't want fireworks in Rashtrapati Bhavan?
Well, that you need to ask them. But I tried to spot him around, but he wasn't there.
Okay, so you looked for him.
I did.
And if you had seen him in the audience, what would you have done?
What do you mean, what you would have done?
Would you have gone up and said, hi, we are from the same industry?
Of course. And I mean, yes, there can be conflicts and there can be disagreement, but that doesn't mean that you do not believe in coexisting. And that's the agenda, or that's what I speak about, coexisting and giving equal opportunities, whether it is for man, women, or outsiders, insiders, underprivileged, overprivileged, nepotism, or, so I anyway encourage coexistence of all kinds. So, of course, I am not going to misbehave.
Yeah? But you can't be friends.
Now, friends is like stretching it. People can only be friends when they have the same,
Or similar.
the similar sort of, intellectual vibe.